difference ng psychologist, psychiatrist, at life coach. So, pag kailangan mo nang makakausap, yung talk therapy, kailangan mo nang mahihinga ng sama ng loob, you go with the psychologist. No? Yung mga sessions nila, it's by talking to you, yung nakahiga ka. Okay? Pag sinabi mo namang psychiatrist, yun yung medical doctors talaga dahil ginagamot nila yung pasyente through psychopharmacology. May mga gamot yan. So, yun. And then yung life coach, kung ikaw ay nai-stuck, hindi mo alam ang susunod na gagawin mo sa buhay at kung paano mapabuti yung buhay mo, life coach ang titignan mo. So, parte yan ng management, no? Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na industrial psychology o business psychology. So, dapat alam natin yan. Difference ng psychologist, psychiatrist, at life coach. So, yun lang pa.